Hello children. So today we will continue chapter 3 of history. Okay. So today we will start with the Nazis worldview. So many crimes were committed by the Nazis Germany itself, which is related to a belief system and set of practices, isn't it? And according to Nazis ideology, it is the synonym to Hitler's worldview, that is same to Hitler's worldview. So the scenario of Germany became very poor because of racial discrimination. According to Nazi ideology, no equality between people were there. Only thing was racial hierarchy. Okay, and in this racial hierarchy, Nordic German, that is Aryans, were at the top. That is blunt and what we say nili aankhon wale. Okay, and at the lowest were Jews, who were the enemies of Aryan. So these were the two groups, and all other colored people were placed between the highest and the lowest. Now, from where was Hitler's got all these racism ideas? See, he borrowed the idea of racism from two people, that is Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Okay, these both were the next level natural scientists, we can say. See, Charles Darwin, actually he is a natural scientist who tried to explain the creation of plants and animals by natural selection. Okay, although he never said that human intervention should be there in the natural process, but some of the racists and politicians to justify an imperial rule over the conquered people, and Herbert Spencer was added to this list and added to the survival of the fittest. Understood? Now only those species will prevail on the earth who could adapt themselves to the changing climatic condition, isn't it? So Nazi's argument that is strongest race would survive and the weak one would perish. And according to Hitler, who was the strongest one? Aryans, and the weakest were Jews, isn't it? So Aryans become stronger and they dominated the world. Now comes geopolitical concept of Lebensraum, which is related to living space. Now Hitler believes that he would acquire territories over territories for settlement. Actually, he wanted to enlarge the areas which come under Germany. Understood? He wants to enhance the resources and power of Germany. Hitler wants that all the Germans geographically should come in one place and Poland become the laboratory for this particular experimentation. Understood, bachas? So establishment of racial state, that is now Nazis wanted to establish a community of pure, healthy, Nordic Aryan, and rest all other were treated indesirable by the Nazis. Understood? Now only Aryans were desirable, and rest all impure and abnormal German has no right to exist. Yes, and all mentally and physically unfit Germans were condemned to death, and this whole process is euthanasia program. It has been said that. And who were these undesirables? Undesirables कौन कौन थे उसमें? Jews, gypsies and blacks. Gypsies and blacks means जो Romanian origin of people थे, Poles, Russians, etc. Isn't it? And among these undesirables, Hitler hate Jews the most. सबसे ज़्यादा उनको hate करता था वो. Okay. And Hitler believed theories of race which said that conversion was no solution to the Jewish problem. Understood? It had to be solved through their total elimination. So, from 1933 to 1938, the Nazis terrorized and segregated the Jews and they compelled them to leave the country. And the next phase, that is 1939 to 1945, they aimed at concentrating them in certain areas and then killing them in gas chambers in Poland and all. Understood? Now racial utopia. Okay, so that is what it is said that geocide, that is genocide and war. Okay, these two became the two sides of the same coin. That is the Poland, Hitler had already occupied, and this occupied Poland, it was divided. Okay, and Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties and behind to be occupied by ethnic Germans. They brought in from occupied German Europe. Okay, that is a racial utopia, what Hitler did. Yes. Now see, now what happened that Hitler felt that this Nazi society, okay, what they had formed, that Nazi society should become very strong. Okay, so it could be established by teaching what, that is Nazi's ideology to children. He wanted that. So what he did was in the schools all the teachers were German. Okay, teachers those were appointed, they were German, and the children were also divided into two groups, that is desirable and undesirable. Okay, so the textbooks what they were reading, that was rewritten, and functions of sports in school was to nurture the spirit of violence and aggression. So this is the thing what he wants to teach in the school and all. Okay, so a 10-year-old boy had to enter Jungwork, that is at the age of 14. All boys, okay, all the boys, they joined Hitler's youth, and they joined the labor service at 18th. This is the youth in Nazi's Germany. Okay, and women were told to be good mothers and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. They were encouraged to produce many children. Understood? That is the motherhood, their cult of motherhood. And the Nazis used the languages and medias with care and often to great effect. They used films, pictures, radio, posters, etc. to spread hatred for Jews. Okay, and people saw the world through Nazis' eyes and spoke the Nazis' language. This was a crime against humanity, we can say. And at the time, what happened, that Jews began to believe in Nazis, stereotype, whatever they are doing, they started believing the Nazis about them. Understood? Now it was only after the war ended that people came to know about what had happened. Actually what was happened, everything they came to know, everything when everything was finished. सब कुछ जब खत्म हो गया, सब कुछ लास्ट हो गया, उसके बाद समझ में आ रहा actually what is going on. Okay, and the Jews wanted the world also to know about the sufferings they had endured during this Nazis killing operation. They wanted that everybody should know this. They only just wanted to leave, even it was for a few hours. Okay, so to tell the world about the Holocaust, they want that all the, that is, the world should know what was going on in this during the time of Hitler. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, bachas. So go through the chapters, read the chapters, you will be getting more clear. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all.